In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a good onboarding go high level. We're building a clean, effective onboarding form that feeds straight into your CRM so you collect the right details from new clients without extra back and forth. Start by opening your Go High Level account and heading to your main workspace. From the left-hand menu, go to Sites, then choose Forms. This is your hub for creating and managing all the forms that power your funnels, websites, and onboarding flows. Click Create Form to start a new one. You'll be asked how you want to begin. You can explore from templates if you want inspiration or a fast starting point, but for this walkthrough, we'll keep full control and start from scratch. Choose Start from Scratch for now, then click Create to open the form builder. Inside the builder, look toward the top for Quick Add. This panel speeds up the process by surfacing commonly used elements so you're not hunting around. Click Quick Add, then open Add Object Fields. Object fields are the mapped CRM fields, things like basic contact details and other records you track. Drag the fields you want from the list onto the canvas. As you place them, think about the first impression you want your onboarding to make. Simple, clear, and respectful of your client's time. Lead with only the essentials you need to get started. Keep labels short and obvious. And if a field might confuse someone, add a brief description or placeholder text to explain what you're looking for. Use the required toggle sparingly, only for the information you absolutely need to move work forward. This balance helps completion rates and keeps the experience friendly. Group related questions together to create a natural flow. For example, put basic contact details at the top, followed by any business or project context you truly need. As you drag each field into place, visually check spacing and order. A tidy layout communicates professionalism and reduces friction. If you're unsure which fields to include, start minimal. You can always return to this form later to add more fields once you've validated what's necessary. Remember, every field should have a purpose. If you can't explain why you're asking for a piece of information, it probably doesn't belong in your onboarding. Once your essential fields are on the page, give everything a quick review. Read it from your client's perspective. Is the sequence logical? Are labels unmistakable? Would this feel quick to complete on both desktop and mobile? Small tweaks here make a big difference in response quality. That's it. You've used Go High Level's sites and forms, created a form from scratch, and used Quick Add with Add Object fields to drag in exactly what you need for a strong onboarding experience.